It's time for September's Maker Swap Bonus Swap. For September's bonus swap, I'm going to make a pen from this olive wood blank for Polinder Designs. He contacted me after I posted my video on YouTube about the announcement on the Maker Swap 2020. Said he was interested, so got him in as a bonus swap. Got a beautiful olive wood blank here and a pen kit from Penn State Industries. This is a Groove Click pen. I will stick a link to it in the description below. I've made a couple of these already. These are actually fun little pens to make. They're kind of like a slimline. I know people hate slimlines, but I actually like the way they feel in your hand. But it's a click slimline. It's got a real great mechanism. I'll show you that when I'm putting it together. So let's go make a Groove Click pen out of olive wood for Polinder Designs. Here we go. So there it is. September's Maker Swap bonus swap is done. An olive wood groove click pen for Polinder designs. I will stick some pictures at the end so you guys can take a look at it a little closer. I wanted to keep the lines clean on this pen. I think it came out really nice. I put a little burn and a groove accent at the top just to give it a little something, but other than that I wanted it to be pretty smooth and clean lines. I want to thank Polinder Designs for taking part in Maker Swap 2020. Again, I can't thank you enough for taking part and wanting to swap with me. Thank you guys for watching. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. If there's anything I can do better or something you want to see, stick it in the comments below. And I will see you guys next month.